Now we will learn about variable naming rules in Python. We have to follow certain rules while naming the variables. We create the variables like a, b, x, y, z. So we have to follow certain rules while naming the variables. A variable must begin with a letter, either in small letters or in capital letters, or it can start with underscore. Other than underscore, no other special character is allowed, like dot, hash, ampersand. Any other character is not allowed, not even space. Other variables, other characters that can be used in a variable name can be letters, numbers, or underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. So suppose if you have taken a variable x in uppercase, so whenever you will refer to that variable x, you have to write in uppercase only. If you refer it by lowercase, so that is a separate variable. So variable names are case sensitive. Cannot contain space. I already told you that a variable name should not contain space. The length of the variable can be any length, but that should be a reasonable length. It should not be like it has 500 letters in it. The variable name should be reasonable, and they should display, or they should convey the meaning for what purpose they are used for. Suppose you are developing a simple program to calculate interest. So the variables that can be used to calculate interest, the variable names can be principal, rate, time, interest. So these are the meaningful names. The variable should have a meaningful name. Suppose you want to calculate sum of different variables. So the variable that is storing the sum should be named as sum or total. So the variable name should be very meaningful. They should convey that meaning for what purpose they are used for. There are reserved keywords in Python that cannot be used as a variable name because Python uses them for other things. The keywords like the reserved words like while, for, if, print, these are already defined in Python, so we cannot use these reserved words, keywords as our variable names. Let's see some examples of valid variable names. Amount, it is a valid name because it contains all the letters. Underscore amount, it is allowed because it starts with underscore, it is allowed. Amount 123 started with an alphabet, a digit, started with an alphabet, and it contains digits in it, those are allowed. Principal underscore amount, underscore is allowed, so it is fine. So these are some valid variable names. Now let's see some invalid variable names. This 123 amount is invalid because it started with a digit, which is not allowed. It must begin with a letter or underscore. Then principal dot amount, so this dot is not allowed. While keyword, for keyword, if keyword, not allowed. Interest space amount, space is not allowed. So these are some examples of invalid variable names in Python. So that's all about variable naming rules in Python. Take care. Bye bye.